In this video, we are to talk about external CSS. External CSS. So, what is external CSS? So, I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin. This is my name, and this is my number, and this one is my email address. You can contact me via this connection. So now, external CSS, or what we call the link element. So the link element can be used to include an external style sheet file in your HTML document. So an external style sheet is a separate text file with .css extension. You define all the styles rules within this text file, and then you can include this file in an HTML document using link element. Here is the generic syntax of including external CSS file. So as we have it here. So this is how we put our link connecting our external CSS to our HTML document. So this is it here. So this is the link. You put it in between the head, then you connect to our CSS that is externally. So, or another file within the same folder of HTML document. So we are going to see it. So we are saying we are defining the attributes. These attributes. So we are defining type, these values, the href, and the media. So let us see it here in details. So we are saying that attributes associated with the style elements are: one, we are having what we call type. Then we are giving it a value of text CSS. Why are we doing that? We are describing it. Specifies the style sheet language as a content type, that is MIME type. This attribute is required, meaning that if you are creating a link to an external file of CSS, you have to put this type attribute and its value. It is required. Then href or URL. This href is given a value of URL, specifies the style sheet file having style rules. This attribute is required. This is the one that provides the location. Where is that file is located, and it is required. So media, this one is for the screen. Continue. We have also this euro for all. This one is optional. This one is just to make it more effective and work very nicely. So let us continue. Consider this example you're having here. So consider a simple style sheet. File with the name style.css having the following rules. So let us have this rule. Now you can include the file style.css in any document as follows. So let us first have this condition. So I copy it, and I can come here and I get it here I create a new file here. This is my HTML document, but now I want to create that external file for CSS. So I press here Control New, or I just click File, then New. Just click Control File, then Control plus N to create a new file, or you just click File, then choose New. So now here I paste my copt CSS code. So I can choose to put it here for easy readability. Then after doing it like this, I can save it. Now I can press Control S, or I can choose File, Save As. Now I can save it on desktop in the same folder with my HTML. So I say CSS, and now I can choose to save it as style. I already have style, so style.css. Let me save it as styles.css. There is a file I'm having as style, but for you can choose to save it as style.css. Then I save. Now after saving, let us see how do you call this file into your HTML document. So let's continue. So we are saying that you bring this code. You see this code here. This is what you copy, or this is what you type into your HTML file in the head section. So let us go and put it there. So you come to your index here, in your work here. So these files must be in the same folder, working in the same folder. So now I bring it here in the head section here, So here in the head, so this one which was embedded, I remove it. Now inside the head here, the title opens and closes, but now in the head section, it is where I put my link. So you just type it there, or for me, I'm pasting to make faster to increase the speed on the video shooting. So now I add my s because I had another file for style.css. So now I save changes. So if I save changes, I want to see, will my work be affected by the other changes? So let me remove these ones here. Let me remove this one. So I save changes. So if I come here and I reload here, now this is an inline CSS, but now this one is for external CSS. Let me change it to be external CSS. So if I come back here and I refresh, now this is external CSS. Let us continue and go back to our styles.css. They are saying that h1 should be color this, font weight this one, this one, this one. So let me come here. We are saying that link type this one text./css, then this one here ref styles.css. So we want it to come out. So we are missing something. We are missing something here. We are missing something. We are saying that ref this one. Then we're having our h1 something called the rel equals style sheet. Then we save changes and we come back here and we refresh. I think you have seen it. We are just missing that word style sheet rel, this one relation to style sheet here. Style the sheet, it means styling the sheet. So relation related to style sheet. So that is it. Then we refresh and get it out. So if I come here on this file that is external and I remove this, for example, let's say that I choose to make it red and I save changes. I come back here and I reload. It becomes a red color in a red color. So now we have what also imported CSS. Imported CSS. So what is imported CSS? We have seen the external CSS here. Now let us go to the imported. Let us go to the imported CSS. What is the imported CSS? What does it do? So we are saying that at import is used to import an external style sheet in a manner similar to the link element. Here is the generic syntax of an import at import rule. So this is also the similar, it is also similar to the external link, how we have been getting this link, but now here we are importing it. We are not linking, or we are not providing a connection to it, but now we are importing it. So let us see, how do we import it? Well, how do we import an external style sheet, an external CSS file? Let us see into our HTML. So we are having our head here. This is the rule as how we are seeing it. We are having our head, then we are importing it. And on importing, we provide a URL. URL is the link or the connector, the connection between the file and the CSS file and the HTML document. So let us see it. Here, URL is the URL of the style sheet file having style rules. You can use another syntax as well. So this is how it is here. So import URL, this is the URL, the link, the connection where it is found. So that is it. So we are having the closing tag, that is the head. So let us continue and see an example here. So in the following is the example showing how to import a style sheet file into an HTML document. So as how we have used it as how we have used the link, but now we can import it. So let us see, how do we import it? We have said that you get this link, this at import. So just copy it for easy video description. So we want to import this now, but not without providing this link. So we are going to remove this link here. We remove it, but now we import. So we just put there this import. So at import style.css. So you save changes, but now here you have to put it under the style tags. You have to put it under the style tags. If you don't put it under the style tags, it will not work. So let me save it and first see. So now if I save and I come back to my web browser and I refresh this one, you see now it comes here. It comes here. It is taken as a text, as a part of the web page. So it is also ran in here in the head. So but now we want it to affect this is external CSS, this heading. It is the one that we want to be affected. So what we do, we come here inside the title, inside the head, and we put this code of ours, the URL, to the importing URL command under style commands, under style tags. So I close here the style like this. So if I save changes, now it means that go into the folder that is I'm working on and get this where this index.html is residing in. That is desktop CSS index.html, where it is residing. There is a certain file called the style.css. So let us see them. So on desktop, you look for that folder called the CSS, which is this. Now we want to import these styles, because style I've already used it. So we want to import styles. So let me come here and add their S. So after adding my S, I save changes. Now if I come back to my web browser and I refresh, now what I have imported my styles.css. So this is the procedure of importing. That is the procedure of importing. That is how we import an external file. This one is closed in the styles, as how you have seen it here. That is it. We close it, then we provide the file name. So and we import it. So that is. Thanks so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.